Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my Soldier. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing the new update of this weekend. We have the new soldier boss killer. To get it, we need 250k points, and we have to do some boss fights. So guys, for the boss fights, we have boss blueprints. So guys, let me show you what are the boss blueprints. So guys, as you can see, they are different color. Red stands for the difficulties, and the purple stands for medium, and the blue stands for easier. So guys, for that we have to do blueprint boss fight. So guys, let me show you and let's start the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm using the pyro tank for the boss fight. Let's see the boss fight. It takes 15 seconds to start. Using pyro tank is very useful in the boss fight. As you can see, I've completed the boss fight and I've got 10 diamonds. So guys, it takes 30 seconds for the cooldown. That's quick. Guys, we have some packs here in the corner of our base, as you can see. And guys, we have the boss killer pack. As you can see, to open it, we need Robux. So guys, now I'm in the Giga Jet boss fight. So let's see how difficult it is. It has whopping 4 waves. So guys, in the wave 1, it is very easy. We have Golden Jet helicopter as wave 4. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.